Hoi zusammen, what's up guys, was läuft?
I'm going back to my Swiss roots. I'll be visiting where I grew up. I will surprise some of my friends because they don't know I'm coming, and I'm super excited because this is going to be awesome. So keep watching and keep posted for more videos. Back in Zurich. Hi guys, so I finally made it to Kolbrunn, to my home village, and the next thing is surprising my friends. Alright guys, it's about time. I'm here at Chris' place. He's the only one who knew about this whole thing, so keep watching and see the surprises.
Was? Schau den Schild so!
Ja! Hey, nein!
Hey! Machst du doch? Was? Das ist so gut!
Das Geilste, ich setze jetzt zurück noch. Was läuft? Was läuft? Was läuft?
Nein.
I'm in Goldenberg right now. Goldenberg, we say it in German. It's pretty awesome. You can see the whole Winterthur from up here. And it's too bad. I would love to use my drone, but it's way too windy. Even on this side it's really windy. I guess we just get out of here. Okay, behind me you can see Winterthur. Let's go and check it out.
This is another thing that I love in Switzerland because of the 4 seasons. You can hear the birds when they come back for spring. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give us this thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because there's a lot more videos to come up. And in the meanwhile, just watch our other videos. Tschüss zusammen!